Most people using AI in 2026 are saving an hour here, automating a task there. A small group is doing something completely different. They're using the exact same tools, free tools you already have access to replace their entire income. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 AI side hustles that are generating $3,000 to $10,000 a month for real people right now. No theory, no guesswork, just exactly what's working and how to start. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Wealth AI, where we turn artificial intelligence into actual income. Quick note before we start, I'm ranking these 5 hustles from easiest to most profitable. If you're a complete beginner, start at number 5. If you want the biggest opportunity in AI right now, stay until number 1. It's the one most people aren't talking about yet. I built this list around the W.E.A.L.T.H Framework, wealth engineering with AI for learning, training, and high income. 5 hustles, 5 tools, 1 system. Let's get into it. Side hustle number 5, AI powered freelancing. This is the easiest entry point on this entire list. Zero startup cost. You can start this week. Here's how it works. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have millions of businesses actively paying for content. Blog posts, social media copy, email sequences, video scripts. Before AI, delivering one high quality blog post took 2 to 3 hours. With Claude AI, 15 minutes. Here's why this matters for your income. If you're charging $100 per blog post and you can complete 8 per day instead of 2, that's a jump from $200 a day to $800 a day. Same clients, same quality, a fraction of the time. The path is straightforward. Set up a Fiverr or Upwork profile. Offer AI assisted writing, content strategy, or SEO services. Use Claude to handle 80% of the production. You handle the prompting, the strategy, and the final review. 5 clients at $500 a month each. That's $2,500 a month part time from your laptop. This is where the wheel system starts. You're learning the tools, building your portfolio, and getting paid while you do it. Side hustle number 4, Faceless YouTube automation. No camera, no studio, no editing background required. Here's the exact 3 tool stack that faceless channels are using to generate passive income right now. Cloth AI writes the script. 11 Labs generates the human sounding voiceover. CapCut assembles the final video. Total production time per video under 2 hours. Pick a high demand niche. Finance, technology, productivity, self improvement. Upload consistently. Monetize through YouTube AdSense and affiliate links. Channels running this exact system are generating $1,000 to $5,000 a month per channel. The honest answer, it takes 60 to 90 days before the income becomes significant. This is not a fast play, but once it's built, it runs without you. That is the difference between income and passive income. And this hustle delivers the second one. Side hustle number 3, selling AI digital products. This is one of the most underrated opportunities in this list. Here's what's actively selling on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Lemon Squeezy right now. AI prompt bundles, Claude workflow templates, ChatGPT business packs, AI tool comparison guides. One product, built once, sold thousands of times with no extra work from you. Here's the math. A $15 prompt bundle, 200 sales. That's $3,000 in passive revenue from a product you built in a single afternoon using Claude. And here's why this scales globally without friction. Digital products have no shipping, no inventory, no geography. Someone anywhere in the world buys it, gets it instantly, and you earn the revenue in your sleep. Build it once, sell it forever. Side hustle number 2, AI consulting. Small and medium sized businesses know they need to adopt AI. Most of them have absolutely no idea where to start. That gap is your opportunity. You don't need a tech degree. You don't need to be a developer. You need to understand these tools better than the business owner sitting across from you. And right now, that bar is lower than most people realize. Here's the income part. Reach out to 10 businesses, local businesses, online brands, service companies. Offer a $500 AI audit. You review their current operations and show them exactly where AI can cut costs and save time. From there, move them onto a monthly retainer, $1,000 to $2,000 a month to implement and manage their AI systems on an ongoing basis. One client is meaningful income. 3 clients and you've replaced a full-time salary. For you as a business owner or content creator watching this, here's why this matters. Companies that move fast on AI will outcompete the ones that don't. They know this. They are actively looking for someone to help them get there. That someone can be you. Side hustle number 1, the AI automation agency. This is the biggest opportunity in AI right now. Here's what's happening. Businesses globally need automated systems. AI chatbots that handle customer service around the clock. Email sequences that run without a human. Lead generation pipelines that work while you sleep. Building these systems used to require a full development team and a significant budget. With Claude, Zapier, and Make.com, you can build them alone. All three have free tiers to start. Here's why the income ceiling is completely different from the other 4 hustles. You are not selling your time, you are selling a system. One client paying $3,000 a month for an AI automation system takes approximately 20 hours to build and 3 hours a month to maintain. That's $3,000 a month for 3 hours of recurring work. Scale that to 4 clients, that's $12,000 a month. 1 person, 0 employees, 0 office. The search data on this is striking. AI automation agency is generating 247,000 searches a month globally, with a competition score of just 37. That means the demand is massive. The number of people actually delivering this service well is still very small. This window will not stay open indefinitely. The W.E.A.L.T.H framework exists for exactly this reason. Wealth engineering with AI. Not side gigs, not extra cash, actual engineered income systems. This is what that looks like in practice. Here is how these 5 hustles stack together into a single system. Start at number 5, AI freelancing. Earn your first $500. Learn the tools in a real-world context. At number 3, while you're freelancing, build one digital product from what you've already learned. Now passive income is running in the background. Scale to number 1. Take the skills from consulting and freelancing, package them into an automation agency, and move clients onto retainers. You don't have to choose one hustle. You build them in sequence. That is the W.E.A.L.T.H system. Wealth engineering with AI for learning, training, and high income. If you want the exact tool list and the step-by-step getting started roadmap for whichever hustle you're starting with, drop wealth in the comments right now. I'll send it to you directly. And subscribe to Wealth AI. Every week, one tool, one video, one step closer to financial freedom. I'll see you in the next one.